Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade pretzel buns. So let's get started. First we'll make the dough. So in a liquid measuring cup, measure out the warm water and add in the yeast and sugar and beat them really well together until they're well combined. Then set it aside for 10 minutes until the yeast is activated. Then in a large bowl, add in the flour and salt and mix them together until they're combined. Then once the yeast mixture is activated, add it into the bowl and add in the melted butter. Then mix them together until they're combined. Then turn it out onto the counter and knead it until it forms a ball. And once it starts getting sticky, add a little flour and continue kneading it for another 5 minutes. Then grease the same bowl that you had the dough in before and place the dough into the bowl and turn it over a few times until the dough is coated in the oil. Then wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour to an hour and a half or until it doubles in size. Then once it's doubled in size, turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface. Then flip it over and stretch it out. Then cut it into 8 to 10 pieces depending on how big or small you'd like the pretzel buns to be. Then roll each of the pieces into a ball. Then lightly flour a baking sheet. Then place them onto the baking sheet, spacing them out so they have room to rise again. Then cover them with a clean kitchen towel and let them rise in a warm place for 30 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 450 degrees. And once the pretzel buns are nearly done proofing, add the water into a large pot and heat it until it simmers. And also line another baking sheet with parchment paper, or you can grease it with nonstick cooking spray. And once the pot of water is simmering, turn the heat down to medium. Then add in the brown sugar and baking soda and mix them to combine them. Then work in batches and add each of the pretzel buns into the pot and boil them for 45 seconds. Then flip them over and boil them for another 45 seconds. Then remove them from the pot and place them onto the baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. And continue doing that for the rest of the pretzel buns. Now they're not going to spread much in the oven, so don't worry about how close they are together on the pan. Then brush the tops with a bit of egg wash, which is 1 egg that has been beaten with a tablespoon of water. And sprinkle some kosher salt on the top or any coarse salt you like. Then bake them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the top turns a nice golden brown color. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for about 5 minutes, and you can serve them while they're still warm. And that's how to make homemade pretzel buns. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.